Hello everyone, welcome again to MSA Arabic lessons and 1 minute of MSA Arabic topics. Today we will continue the numbers topics. So we did the numbers from 1 to 10 and then from 11 to 20 and then we did the 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. So now we're going to know how to combine those information to count any number from 0 till 99. So the problem is when you say 21 for example. In Arabic, we don't say 21, we just say 1 and 20, and so on. So, for example, 35 will be 5 and 30, and so on. So, all you need to do is to combine the first video that we had, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, with the other video that we did, which contains 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and extra. Combining them together like 1 و60 61 2 و70 72 and so on. And the final one, our goal 99 will be 9 و90. This is it. Hope to see you soon. مع السلامة.